Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions. And in today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to add a Uber Plus card to your Apple Wallet. So it's really easy and simple, actually. And I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. So first things first, what I need you to do is I need you to open up the Uber driver app on your mobile device and just log in to your account. Make sure your Uber Plus card is already activated. And next, guys, what I need you to do is I need you to go to the payment section within the app. You can usually find this under your profile menu or in the app's main menu. Okay, locate the option for the Uber Plus card and just tap on it. And once you're in the card's detail page, what I need you to do is I need you to look for Add to Apple Wallet button and just tap on it. The app will redirect you to the Apple Wallet setup screen. And then, guys, of course, you just need to follow the on screen instructions to verify your card details. Uber might require additional confirmation, such as, a text message or email verification. And once completed, guys, what I need you to do is I need you to just tap on add to finalize the process. And guys, if you don't see the option in the Uber driver app, of course, you can always manually add the Uber Plus card, through the wallet app. So open up the wallet app and then it just tap on the plus icon at the top right and just select add a debit or credit card. Okay, input the card information, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. And guys, of course, after completing these steps, your Uber Plus card will now appear in your Apple Wallet, ready to use for payments or perks. And that's it, guys. You have successfully added your Uber Plus card to your Apple Wallet. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, guys, consider smashing that like button and subscribing to the channel. Subscribe to Frequently Asked Questions so I can see you guys next time.